I'm sure you must have heard about kids learning skills like robotics, coding, AI, and many other next generation technology skills. These could be your relatives or friends, and you're considering doing the same, but wondering if it's really worth it. Well, I'm Tarun, founder and CEO of Avishkaar, and in this video, I'll be telling you 3 reasons why I believe all kids should learn robotics, coding, and other technology skills in childhood. Here's the catch. None of the reasons is going to be because they're important for future jobs. While I cannot deny that jobs of future will be increasingly becoming tech-oriented and these skills go far beyond job orientation. Number 1. Coding and robotics are a way of thinking. Have you ever tried to take directions from someone on the street? Some folks are able to give you exact directions, interspersed with milestones and exact steps to reach your destinations, while others struggle with fuzzy logic. The former way, where the exact path has been neatly broken down into smaller milestones and each milestone clearly defined, can be thought of as an analytical way of thinking. This concept has a definition in teaching tech. It's called sequencing. No matter what area of interest your child may have or develop, sequencing or an ability to break a problem into smaller and simpler steps is something that everyone should be able to do for them to do well in life. So robotics and coding is a way of thinking that everyone should experience. Number 2, robotics and AI gives you practice on complex problem solving. One of the key 21st century skills required is that of complex problem solving. Building a complex structural design, taking into account center of gravity, friction of surface for movement, and an appropriate support polygon as a base that computes real time how much power should be given to motors due to the differential power of motors while taking inputs from gyros, accelerometers, or basic sensors like IR and color sensors. And on top of all of this, writing a code that accounts for all these parameters at the same time. Yes, this is what real robotics is about. And what it does is give you an exposure on how to go about solving complex problems. Having cognitive abilities to reconcile variables, moving in multiple dimensions, and still solving for them is paramount for the world of tomorrow. And last but not the least, number 3, this left brain tech develops right brain skills as well. While working on solving problems, either via coding, robotics, or AI, one faces many challenges. Right from motivating oneself to solve a problem to not give up when the solution does not come up despite several trials. Working with others either to tag team or when your attempts have become futile, or finally learning new tech all the time as the problems become more complex or solutions have to be finished. The so-called left brain has tremendous ability to teach you right brain skills like creativity, imagination, resilience, collaboration, and adaptability. All skills which are super necessary for the world of tomorrow. So that's my quick insight on why it's really important for kids to learn robotics, coding, and AI in 2023. You can head over to avishkaar.cc to check out various products and courses that we have, which makes learning robotics and coding a child's play. Thank you.